Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sell AliExpress products on Instagram. First of all, you should pick the product that you want to sell. So in AliExpress application, find a product with good reviews, reliable shipping and reliable seller. Then go to Instagram, upload photos of the item and write your own description of that product and set a price that is higher than what it cost on AliExpress so that you make a profit. And when someone orders from you, go back to AliExpress, place the order and ship it directly to your customer's address. It's very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock. It's all drop shipped. And one more thing, that always keep your customer updated with tracking information and respond quickly if they have any questions. So that is basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.